Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country, and you've joined me here today at this amazing mixed residential and commercial property in Whitnash, Leamington Spa, thriving residential area. Upstairs we've got a 2-bedroom apartment, and downstairs a commercial unit with various options. At the rear there's a fantastic, generous rear garden with a lock-up which could be used for a home office, gym, storage, treatment room. Follow me and we'll take a look inside. You've joined me in a generous rear garden of this fantastic property. There's huge potential and lots of scope to use it in many different ways. We've even got a large outdoor storage unit here, which you could use as a home office, gym, treatment room, lots of potential. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.